Hi guys, this is Mitch King with the April 8th Tuesday market recap and trade of the day. Here's the Nasdaq Composite starting to rebound. I think there's 2 or 3 up days at least here, probably get to 4,200. And always the question every time for over a year and a half now is, are we going to make some higher highs and continue to respect this uptrend line that we've been seeing? Or are we going to fizzle out somewhere in here, 4,200 area, and then go down to a lower low? I'm pretty confident that we're going to get to this 4,200 number on the NASDAQ, and then we need to watch in a few days to see how the market action is and how our long positions are doing. Focus on the long side right now for probably a week or possibly 2. S&P 500, the S&P 500 stopped going down and started to make a little move up. Let's go over some stocks and talk about how it's acting. Here's SOHU. First of all, we want to take a look at where this came from. Around $87 level, dropped $30 pretty much consecutively in the last 30 days. And that's a pretty big drop. And that's what you're going to see the pattern of the stocks that I posted on this today. And I think we're going to probably get halfway or a third at least of a bounce back toward that high. I don't think that we should even think about the fantasy of these stocks going back to that high. We're trying to get a third to a halfway of a bounce toward these that I'm showing you. Here's SOHU was on the report yesterday or day before. Here's Kihu up 8% today, and these really were the high flyers that really have sold off here in the last several weeks. It's kind of a rotation, but there is a tradable long bounce I think we're going to get here. And this is the time to make a commitment to go on the long side. Don't let your fears overcome you. This is the time to get in here, probably tomorrow at the market at the opening for a lot of these long positions. Posted 7 new ideas that I think are one of the stronger groups, and you'll see that happen where it goes in rotation, where some really good groups of stocks come in after a lot of selling. And that's what we got right now. Here's been a very volatile stock, Tesla. It did hold that 200 level. We were up nicely in this 235 area, and then it sold back down to 205. We're getting a little bounce here. Be interesting to see if we make a higher move than this one, and if we get over that 236 to 240 number, then it's a really bullish sign. I don't think we're going to do that. I think we're going to probably bounce up to this 230 level, pull back $5, $6, $7, and give it a chance to base or create some sort of mini bottom. And of course, you keep your stop loss. Anything goes below this 205 level. This is a good time to start buying here and try to get on your trader's mentality hat. You guys take care, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Here's the trade of the day with light sweet crude. That's a 2-minute chart for crude oil, which expires on the May contract. Have nice move right here around 8:30 Pacific time. You can see it came from. You can see the uptrend starting from this green zone to this pink zone, and that move there was 150 ticks, which is excellent for any type of futures. Here's ROVI, big short here, pretty much from the open, 23.30 down to 20.5. That's over a 10% drop, nice short. And we'll point these out in the trading room. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and have a great night.